Today I will complete. Today we have one of the most important lesson. Our lesson today is lateral area and the total area of cube. At first, let's remember cube. Cube is one of the solids. Cube is one of the solid. Cube has 12 edges. Cube has 12 edges. Where the edge? This represent the edge. This represent the edge. This represent the edge. This represent edge. And we have 4 lateral 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have 4 down 1, 2, 3, 4. So that cube has how many edges? 12 edges. Okay. Number 2, cube has how many vertices? The point of intersection of 3 sides is called vertex. Here we have vertex, here we have vertex, here we have vertex, here we have vertex. We have 4 up and we have 4 down, so that we have 8 vertices. Here in the cube we have how many faces? We have 6 faces. We have 6 faces. Each face in the shape of square. Each shape in the each face in the shape of square, and all squares are equal and all squares are equal, so that we have to remark. Remark number 1, we say cube has 6 equal square faces. 6 equal square faces. Area of each face equal side length times side length, side length times side length. Okay. Number 2, all edges of cube are equal in length. All edges are equal. All edges are equal. Why? Because each face is a square and all sides of square are equal, so that all sides of the cube or all edges of the cube are equal. Can we find sum of all edges? Yes, sum of all edges equal side length times 12. Side length times 12 because all edges are equal. Okay, how can we find the lateral area and how can we find total area? This represents a cube. If we imagine the shape of cube, cube has how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, each face in the shape of square. Each face in the shape of square. Area of square equal side length power 2. 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 Okay, if I want the lateral area, in the cube we have how many lateral faces? We have 4 lateral faces. We have 4 lateral faces. So that to find lateral area equal area of one face times 4. Area of one face times 4. If we have area of one face, can we find lateral area? Yes, area of one face times 4. Or we say area of one face equal what? Edge length times edge length, or side length times side length. This represent edge. This represent area of one face. After this, multiply by 4. Or we can write lateral area equal 4 times side length power 2. 4 times side length power 2. If we know the length of its side, or if we know the length of its edge, or we can say, or we can say 4 times side length times side length. Okay. Number 2, if I want the total area, we have how many faces? We have 6 faces. The total faces are 6 faces, and all faces are equal in area, and all faces are equal in area. So the total area equal area of one face times 6. Area of one face times 6. Okay, it is the same. We can write total area equal 6 times side length power 2. 6 times side length power 2. Side length power 2 represent the area of one face. Or we can say 6 times side length times side length. So that to find the lateral area or total area, we must have one of two. Area of one face, or we must have side length. Okay. Okay. To find the lateral area or total area of cube, we must have edge length. We must have edge length, or we must have side length. In some exercise, he don't give side length, but he give some given. From this given, we can find silence. We can find silence. Like what? Number one, if he gives the perimeter of one square, if he gives the perimeter of one square, can we find silence? Yes. To find silence from the perimeter of square, perimeter divided 4, perimeter divided 4. So that can we find silence? Yes. If he gives sum of all edges of cube, we say all edges of cube are equal. To find one side, divide the sum of them divided 12. Sum of all sides divided 12. Sum of all sides divided 12. Number 3. In some exercise, he give area. He give area. At first, area equal silence times silence. Search about number multiply by itself. Number multiply by itself to get area. So that area equals silence times silence. From this rule, I will find the silence. We have another part. If he want lateral area and give total area, or if you want total area and he give lateral area, from this or this, I don't need the silence. I need area of one face. How? If he give lateral area, can we find the area of one face? Yes, area of one face equal what? Lateral area divided 4. If he give total area, can we find the area of one face? Yes, total area divided 6. Total area divided 6. Okay. In the first exercise, he say a cube of edge length 5 centimeter. Find its lateral area and the total area. Mister, to find the lateral area and total area, we must have edge length. Here he give side length. Yes, here we have side length. So that lateral area 4 times side length times side length. Side length equal 5. 4 times 5 times 5 equal 100 centimeter. Write the rule. Total area equal 6 times side length times side length. Number 1, we must write the rule. Number 2, write side length equal what? 5. 6 times 5 times 5 equal 150 centimeter square. The second exercise, he say, if the perimeter of one face of cube is 36 centimeter, find its lateral area and its total area. Mister, to find side length, to find the lateral area or total area, number 1, we must have side length. Here we have side length. No, here he gave perimeter. Can we find side length from perimeter? Yes. Side length equal what? Perimeter divided 4. 36 divided 4 equal what? Equal 9 centimeter. Now we have side length. Can we find the lateral area and the total area? Yes. Write the rule. Lateral area equal 4 times side length times side length. Side length equal 9. 4 times 9 times 9. The result equals 324 centimeter square. Can we find total area? Yes, we have side length. 6 times side length times side length equal 6 times 9 equal 486 centimeter square. Exercise number 3. The sum of all edges of cube is 72 centimeter. Find its lateral area and its total area. Mister, to find the lateral area and the total area, we must have the side length. Here he gives side length. No, here he gives sum of all edges. From sum of all edges, can we find side length? Yes. Side length equal what? Sum of all sides divided 12. Sum of all sides 72 divided 12 equals 6 centimeter. Now, can we find the lateral area and total area? Yes, lateral area equal 4 times side length times side length. 4 side length equal 6. 6 times 6 equal 144 centimeter square. And total area 6 times side length times side length. 6 times 6 times 6 equal 216 centimeter square. Okay. After this, we have another two exercise. Exercise number 4. If the lateral area of cube is 36 centimeter square, find its total area. If we have lateral area, can we find total area? Yes. In this exercise, we say we don't search about the side length, we search about the area of one face. How can we find the area of one face? We say lateral area have four faces. I want the area of one face, so that area of one face, lateral area divided 4. Lateral area equals 36, 36 divided 4 equal 9 centimeters. This represents the area of one face. Can you find total area? Total area 6 times area of one face. 6 times 9 equal 54 centimeters square. Another exercise, find the lateral area of cube whose total area is 48. Here we have the total area. We say if we have lateral area or total area, we must find the area of one face. We say total area has 6 faces, and I want the area of one face, so that I will divide total area by 6. I will divide total area by 6. 48 divided 6 equal 8 centimeter square. Now we have area of one face. Can we find lateral area? Lateral area equal 4 times area of one face. 4 times 8 equal 32 centimeter square. This represents